Hey everybody, it's Philip Paley from Paley Landscaping. I hope you're having a good day. It's the middle of Monday afternoon. We are at a house, actually a condo, over near Emory, and there was a paver patio, which you can see, and it was falling in. Whoever did it didn't do it right, didn't know what they were doing. I'm not really sure. So we run across a couple of these every year that somebody calls us in and asks us to try to fix it up and make it right. So you can see that we've taken part of it out. It collapsed on the inside, and so we're filling it in and fixing it up, and we'll check back with you soon. Right now we're tamping down the base so that it won't fall in, and trying to make it level. Unfortunately, because we're coming in after the fact, we have to be really careful and do it very gently. So wanted to give you guys a better view of what we're doing. You can see that Jose is on his hands and knees and very carefully and very gently moving the sand and the base around, and it's being tamped down so that we can put the pavers back in. We're putting the finishing touches on this right now. We're spreading some sand that has a special adhesive in it so that it helps it to adhere together. It's not really glue per se, but it helps to bind everything together. So we should be done here in just a few minutes. We're in the final stages. We've just brushed on the top coat of sand, and we're just putting some water on it to help it adhere, and we're going to be done in about 5 minutes here. You can see as I step back, this is just a beautiful, nice patio, and they'll be able to enjoy it again. If I can help you with any of your lawn or landscape needs, please give me a call at my office, 404-320-6737. Make it a great day, everybody.